a very spacious, nice living room. So this is your L-shaped kitchen where you will be getting L-shaped. So this is your biggest bedroom. Just look at this. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I am going to be giving you a sample flat tour of 2.5 BHK Raheja Lunaris by Raheja Universal. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. This project is located in Juhi Nagar and this road leads you directly to the main road. Now I'll be taking you to the main road and showing you the connectivity and neighborhood. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the actual location. And this road directly leads you to Sion Panvel Highway. It is bang on Sion Panvel Highway. Check out the neighborhood. Left side leads you directly to Panvel and right side leads you to Sion. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a whooping land parcel of 65 acres with 7 clusters, with Lunaris having 11 towers, with currently launching only 4 with ground plus 31 floors with a configuration of 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK. Talking about amenities, they have 23 plus world-class amenities including 43,000 square feet indoor game zone including clubhouse, 2 swimming pool, multi-purpose court, pet parks and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in MIDC bang on Sion Panvel Highway opposite Juhi Nagar station with Atal Setu at a distance of just 10 minutes, airport at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go inside and check the sample flat out. Now let's do the sample flat tour of this 2.5 BHK with an area of 725 square feet. As I enter, to my left is the kitchen area. Come check out. So this is your L-shaped kitchen where you will be getting L-shaped platform and window for ventilation. Right where your platform ends, this is your refrigerator area. So good enough space to store your 2-side double door refrigerator. Now let's go check out the living room. As we come out of the kitchen, this is your living room. A very spacious, nice living room. Check out the space, guys. There's so much of walkable space over here after keeping the entire sofa set. And right here is your balcony, which is the best part of this house, that you get attached balcony. A good sized balcony where easily 2 to 3 people can sit, enjoy their coffee with a nice view outside. And you get full size attached window. And now let's check your dining space. So this is your 6-seater dining space, which you all can use as 7-seater as well. So 7 to 8-seater, you can say, a nice space for dining area also they have given. Now let's go check out the rooms. But before that, this is your first washroom, common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. A quite spacious washroom, I must say. And to this common washroom, you get dry space attached for your washing machine. So this is a really nice part about this house, that usually dry space is given in the kitchen, but here they have given in the washroom in case you want to shift your clothes directly from washroom. And right here is your separate wash basin area for your guest. Now let's check out our first bedroom, which is the smallest bedroom. This is going to be your kids' bedroom. So this is your bed space. Right here is your wardrobe space. So good storage for your kids. And then right besides the wardrobe space, they have given study area space where your kid can sit and do their homework projects. And then you will be getting again attached window to your room, a full length window. So there's good ventilation in your kids' room. So this is your 0.5 bedroom, the half bedroom which we were talking about in the 2.5 BHK. Now let's go check out the other bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. Check out the space. There's good amount of walkable space in this room. After placing a whole king size bed, there's too much space in this room. And then this is your wardrobe area. Again, a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space, so there is no problem for storage for you guys. And then this is the window. Again, you get full length window attached. And this is your attached washroom. Have a look at it. Again, you'll be getting this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So a good spacious washroom, I must say. Now let's go check out the next bedroom. But before going and checking out our biggest bedroom, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit with us today. Now let's go check out the biggest bedroom. So this is your biggest bedroom. Just look at the space in this room, guys. Again, so much of walkable space after placing a whole king size bed. Right here. Again, you get a full wall dedicated for window area. And now this is your attached washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And this is going to be your wardrobe space. Just look at it, the whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space, and despite of that, there's so much of walkable space. You can easily store your dressing area over here. So every room is very nicely built and designed in this house. So this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of Raheja Lunaris by Raheja Universal. To get more information about this property, do check the comment section, and to know more about such properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.